Ever wondered how your food gets from the farm to your fork? Today, we're exploring how blockchain is making supply chains more transparent and trustworthy. Imagine a supply chain like a long relay race. Each step from sourcing raw materials to reaching the customer is a different runner. Blockchain is a digital ledger, a shared, unchangeable record of transactions. Think of it as an organized digital notebook available to everyone in the supply chain. With blockchain, we can track a product's journey from start to finish with complete transparency. You could scan a QR code and see exactly where your food came from. Now, why is this important? It solves big problems in traditional supply chains. Problem: counterfeit products. Blockchain can verify authenticity at every step. Solution: if you buy something on the blockchain, you can verify its origins and see the entire process. Imagine tracing the origin of diamonds to ensure they weren't mined in conflict zones. This is blockchain's power, building trust, block by block. Blockchain can also empower smaller businesses and farmers, giving them direct access to consumers for fairer and more sustainable trading systems. To sum it up, blockchain makes supply chains more transparent, secure, efficient, and trustworthy. Blockchain technology revolutionizes how we track and manage goods. The potential benefits of secure and trustworthy supply chains are incredible.